So, this word influence, now that is the biggest picture of what NLP is all about. It's about how can you create a positive impact, a positive change within yourself and with the people around you. So if you are having influence, so learning neuro-linguistic programming, it's about learning how to influence. Influence yourself, influence people around you. Why should you do that? Because if you are bringing influence, you're actually leading people, you're leading yourself. Once if you've done that, you're actually shifting a very pressure energy into a choiceful energy. So it's like many of us, when we are working, we are working with some amount of pressure. It's like we have to do some things. We have to go to work, we have to earn money, we have to exercise. So this word have to contains some sort of pressure, all right? And now if you are influencing yourself, if you are influencing people around you, you are shifting the have tos into want tos, all right? So it's like, I want to do it. So I want to earn money, I want to exercise, I want to meditate, etc. So when you are shifting these energy from the have to want to, you are more choiceful in your behavior, you are more energetic and enthusiastic about doing whatever your work or your behaviors demand.